You're asked to evaluate the function f of x equals x to the fourth minus 16x when x is equal to 1 minus the square root of 2, and you're asked to do so using synthetic division. So first thing you're going to do is start by writing all of the coefficients for your polynomial that you're going to divide. So 1, 0, 0. This is x to the fourth, x cubed, x squared, x to the first, and there's your constant 16. And the thing that you'll be dividing by is 1 minus the square root of 2. So in synthetic division, the first thing we do is drop down the first coefficient. So 1's going to be dropped down, nothing happens to it. And then whatever number is down here below the line gets multiplied with whatever number is in the box. So 1 times 1 minus the square root of 2 is just 1 minus the square root of 2. Now you add with the number that's above it. So 0 plus 1 minus the square root of 2 is 1 minus the square root of 2. Now this number is below the line. You're going to have to add it to the number that's multiply it with the number that's in the box. So I'm going to do that down here. 1 minus the square root of 2 times 1 minus the square root of 2. To do this, you need to FOIL. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times negative square root of 2 is negative square root of 2. Negative 2 times 1 is negative square root of 2. And negative square root of 2 times negative square root of 2 is positive square root of 4. So this will turn into 1 minus 2 square roots of 2. So I had minus 1 square root of 2 and minus 1 square root of 2. And then positive square root of 4 becomes just regular old 2. So this will simplify into 3 minus 2 square roots of 2. So I put that number up above the line, 3 minus 2 square roots of 2. I add it to 0, and that just gives me 3 minus 2 square roots of 2. Now this number that's below the line gets multiplied with the number that's in the box. So 1 minus the square root of 2 times 3 minus 2 square roots of 2. So FOIL, 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times negative 2 square roots of 2 is negative 2 square roots of 2. Negative square root of 2 times 3 is negative 3 square roots of 2. And negative square root of 2 times negative 2 square root of 2 becomes positive 2 square root of 4. So let's combine like terms and simplify. I have 3. And then I have negative 2 square root of 2 and negative 3 square root of 2. That's negative 5 square roots of 2. And then over here I have 2 times the square root of 4. So that's plus 2 times, and the square root of 4 is 2. Or 3 minus 5 square roots of 2 plus 4. Or 7 minus 5 square roots of 2. So now this number goes below the line, 7 minus 5 square roots of 2. Add that with 0, I get 7 minus 5 square root of 2. This number that's below the line gets multiplied with the number that's in the box. So I have 7 minus 5 square root of 2 times the number in the box, 1 minus the square root of 2. So FOIL, I have 7 minus 7 square root of 2 minus 5 square root of 2, and then multiply those two things. I have minus plus 5 square root of 4. So combine like terms. I have 7 minus 12 square root of 2, so I'm combining these two things, plus 5, and then the square root of 4 just turns into a 2. So I have 7 minus 12 square root of 2 plus 10. So this becomes 17 minus 12 square roots of 2. Now go back up here, and we're going to take this number and add it with the last number in our synthetic division. So we're going to add 17 minus 12 square roots of 2. Negative 16 plus 17 is 1. I don't have anything that's like this to combine. So my last number in the synthetic division table is 1 minus 12 square root of 2, and this is also called the function value.